This lesson is about how to use OBS. If you want to stream on Facebook or on YouTube or wherever, you can use OBS. So how do you do it? So first, of course, you have to download OBS. So where is it? So just search download OBS and then download it. And then once it's ready, you open the app, which is OBS. And then what you want to do is create a scene. So here, let's say you want a scene with your screen showing and your video showing at the same time. So you can name your screen as display plus, or you can also end video. Then just click and then ooh. Anyway, so it's a similar like that. So it's already this is what I want. So I want my screen to show and my video to show at the same time. So you can add that by clicking this plus sign. And then in the source, you add video capture first and then display capture after. So let's say video capture. So you add video capture, then you can rename it for so just say you can rename it whatever you want. So integrated webcam. I'm using an integrated webcam, so that's why I chose it. And then or you can choose whatever. If you have an external webcam, you can also do that. So just click OK and then add, because you also want to add the main screen. You also want to add video. You want to show your screen. So just add display capture. And let's say you can name it whatever you want. Then, so the primary monitor. So that's my primary monitor. Then, okay. So you can, because this is too big. So what you can do is adjust it. Adjust it accordingly. Oops, what happened? So adjust it accordingly. Adjust it so it will fit the screen. Okay, my baby is crying. Then the video capture. So adjust it. So it's supposed to be here. It's not showing because I'm using it right now. I'm just showing you what it looks like. So it's supposed to be here. So make sure that the video capture is the first one, so it will appear on top of the display screen. Because as you can see, if you put it below the display screen, I had this problem before, you can't see the video. So make sure that you do that. Oops. So that's me. And then if you want to see how it looks like before you start streaming, just click studio mode and then that's it. You'll see it. Oh, my baby is crying. He's sweating a lot. He's probably hot. So just to make sure that your display, you can see the display and then you can see your video. And then just get out of the studio mode and then you can start streaming. How when you stream, I'll show it to you next time on how if you want to know how to because it's not automatic, by the way. It's not automatic that you stream on Facebook or on YouTube. You have to do something. So if you're interested about that, I have a lesson about that.